Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Charlie and she's come round today for a lovely redesign. So I removed her previous set, went back down to the clear layer, done all the prep on her natural nails and prepped applied our clear layer at her growth, and now we are going in with design. So she wanted a peachy set. She originally picked out Smashed Peach, but I just used it that day and literally had to run out. I had a little bit left, but it weren't going to do the whole set, so we went for this colour instead, and I think she was more happier. So this is Arabian silk from CJP. I don't often use this, hey Mel, because it's quite, I find it a little bit marbly. If you've got it, I think you'll understand. It's a bit marbly, but you just have to work with it and just keep blending it. It's quite sheer as well. So I'm just going to do a full nail of that on her baby. Oh, and the brush that I'm using is the big boy brush. I got a new one. I decided to go for the big, I was ordering from CJP, so I was like, I'm just going to have to order the big boy brush. I love it anyway. So, what a difference. I don't know how I've been using my Glitter Planet one and my other big boy, like they're just ruined. I don't know how I was able to work with it. Oh, anyway, so yes, full nail of that on the baby. And sorry about the quality of this video. I usually video the other hand because it's just a better position, but I did the other hand and I was like, I like these, so I'm going to record them actually. So yeah, it's a bit of a crap video. Anyhow, so then I'm going to go on to the ring finger.
I don't know whether like I've been in the sun and hadn't really, maybe I was dehydrated. I don't know.
At the moment, aren't they? So
maybe, yeah.
Acrylic just shy. Oh, I really would say that. Just shy.
But literally nothing.
Depends how much you want glitter there. If you want more glitter there, go down. You want just a tiny bit.
Whenever someone runs down.
So I just went for this, really. She likes a cuff. Charlie likes a cuff now. So I'm going to do that on the ring finger and the middle finger. Just thought I'd speed through that one because I was faffing a lot. I'm such a faffer, aren't I? So onto the pointer finger. This is going to be just an ombre using the Arabian silk and birthday suit. Do you know what I'm loving at the moment? I did a set yesterday and I'm really gutted I didn't record it because I just thought it was a fresh set as well. I just thought it was boring, but everyone loved them and I wish I did a video for them now because they turn out beautifully. So if you don't follow my Instagram, make sure you do because you'll love them, I think. I'm loving any sort of neon, just full neon nails, ombre neon, Oh, it's my absolute favourite, and I hope all my clients have all different colour ombres, neon ombres, so I can just fill up my grid with pure, colourful amazingness. I said that on my Instagram. I really hope people do. I've got someone in stay and I think she might have neon. Well, I'm going to push her to have neon, and I'll record them if she does. So yeah, I'm just building up the colour there, making sure the ombre is nice and flawless. I do cap these nails in crystal glass, but I kind of did it off camera, just a wee bit. So the thumb is just going to be a full nail, like the baby, of Arabian silk. Arabian Night. What is that? Aladdin. Oh, I love Aladdin. Arabian silk. Don't really get it. Don't really get it. I wish I could name some stuff. I'd love to name some acrylics. I'd come up with some really good names, I think. But anyway, yeah, full nail of that on the thumb. So you don't really need to do this. I kind of did it quite perfect anyway. Melina. We're going away tomorrow for 4 days, and I'm leaving him. I've got my mother-in-law coming around to feed him daily, give him fresh food, and hopefully sit with him for, an hour or so. But this is the first time I've left him for over a year, so I'm a little bit worried, but I think he's going to be okay. I've kind of distanced myself from him the last couple of days, not really give him any attention. He's he loves to be in his cage kind of bird, so I think he's going to be alright, but I think he is going to miss Mama. Anyway, so I filed that nice and crisp. Oh, not too much, but I didn't really need it, but I just like to do it. And then I'm going to come in with this glitter. It's from the Unicorn's Den Silver Lining. My kind of no, it's not Silver Lining. No, this is not Silver Lining. I don't know what it is. I'll put it in the description box. But this is my kind of go-to glitter at the moment. Well, I know Silver Lining is my go-to glitter as well, but this is not Silver Lining. This is Diamond Mind. There we go, I think. So yeah, I'm just going to pick up a small bead of acrylic, dip into that raw glitter, and kind of like quickly nudge it and move it all into place, just so it soaks up that acrylic. Because gritty glitters can be a bloody pain in the bum. So yeah, I'm just going to nudge that all into place, and then I'll obviously cap that in crystal glass, and then we are ready for filing. So come in and do my usual filing technique. So before I do anything, I come in and just crispen up. The way I talk is insane. Like the words I come out with, it's my own little chat, isn't it? My own little vocabulary. God, I can't even say that. I will make the sidewalls lovely and straight, and then I'll come in and make the free edge lovely and straight, and then I'll come in with my Efile and I'll do all the debulking, all the flattening out with that, and then I'll shape again. So these files that I'm using are from CJP, and my E-file is the saeyang K35, and my drill bit is a flat top carbide bit I've had for a long time. It's my fave. Oh, did I ever tell you about that bit that helps with any lifting that I may have or anything? It just pops off. Well, I've lost it. I've had it for years, and it's like it's worn down so much that it was just the perfect thing, and I've lost it, and I've tried to use another one. It's just not the same. I'm really gutted about it. I reckon I folded it up in some tissue and then chucked it away. Yeah, so it's going to take a long time to grind another one down. Oh, so upset. So yeah, I'm just gonna let you watch this. So then I'm going to come and buff all the nails lovely and smooth. My favourite part. I love it. So the top coat that I'm using. So my Gel Bottle Ink Extreme Shine Top Gloss has finally run out. So because I love the bottle, I know this is going to sound weird. Am I a fraud? I don't know. But I brought some, I did an order from CJP, so I brought some top coat, had some left over as well, so I just poured all my CJP top coats into the Gel Bottle Ink bottle, just because it's big. I like the feel of it and I'm used to it now. So yeah, I'm a fraud. No, I just like the bottle, so don't shoot me. So I come in with my top coat and I'll apply a thin layer of that over all her nails. She'll cure in my LED lamp for a full 60 seconds. And then we are ready for some cuticle oil. So just take one look at this set. What cuticle oil would you say, flavour, would you say I've put on it? Correct, that is peach. So we went for a bit of peach. And that is the final result. So I do leave a little clip at the end for you to see. Any discounts codes I've got, it will just be for Naff stuff. I'll leave in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.